I'm Dr. David Beaulieu, and I'm back with more news you can use. Seems lately we've been talking a lot about neurological problems, and from autistic spectrum disorders to Alzheimer's dementia to psychoses and all kinds of mental dysfunction, even to the area of anxiety and depression. And I speak to that as if that's not as big a problem as some of these others, but it certainly can be. It's just that almost everybody knows somebody with anxiety or depression. These are everywhere. And we're talking about neurological conditions. And of course, we know, this is what I learned in school, don't damage the nervous system, don't damage the brain, because it doesn't repair itself. Wrong again. It's amazing how much I learned in school just wasn't right. And there's a fellow up in Canada by the name of Norman Doidge, D-O-I-D-G-E. He's a medical doctor, and he's written a couple of books. The first was The Brain That Changes Itself. This last one is The Brain's Way of Healing. And it is amazing. The new word in science for brains that are changing themselves and getting better is neuroplasticity, the ongoing, ever-present ability of the brain to change its pathways. Well, okay, we've got a pathway problem over here. Let's give it a new pathway. Let's install a new pathway, and the brain installs a new pathway. It is amazing stuff. We're talking about reversing diseases like Parkinson's, like multiple sclerosis, conditions that we've never been able to help before on an ongoing basis. And it's fascinating what we're learning about how to retrain the human brain. This, for those who've got members in their family with neurological diseases or disorders, this just opens up a whole new group of possibilities. And for those of you who are in that category, this is a must-read. Norman Doidge's The Brain's Way of Healing. This was a fun book.